Wait, no way. Unplugging the cord gives audio issues? Good?
The microphone was unplugged.
So all of that, I wonder how much of that was not heard. Probably good.
Nobody.
Good. Hey,
They just saw us pointing at merch.
just for like 30 seconds of just no audio pointing at merch. The mic got unplugged. Sorry, everybody. We fixed it. Don't worry. But TikTok got to hear that awesome plug.
Oh, they did.
That was for TikTok. For Jimmy's TikTok. Is he number one yet?
No, still weekly top 3.
Oh,
Get
Jimmy.
Jimmy to number 1.
Wait, you went down to 3 now. You're
Oh,
irrelevant,
well,
Jimmy.
Wait, was it weekly top 2?
Yeah, it was weekly top 2 for a little bit.
Oh my
Jimmy,
God.